Hi everyone, it's Natasha of natashaskitchen.com, and today we are making a fresh and flavorful Greek salad. This is loaded with all the best ingredients, and you'll want that zesty lemon dressing on all of your salads. You'll need 1 large or 2 small heads of romaine lettuce. Here's our favorite way to chop lettuce. Cut it in half, then remove the core. Slice in half again, then chop into bite-sized pieces. To keep your romaine lettuce really crisp, make sure you rinse in ice-cold water. Drain well and then spin completely dry, because the last thing you want is a soggy salad. Transfer the lettuce to a pretty serving bowl, then slice up 1 English cucumber. Add those to your salad bowl. Now slice 1 cup of cherry tomatoes into halves, or you can use a large diced tomato. Transfer those to the bowl as well. Now you're going to slice half of a sweet bell pepper, and you can use any color, red, orange, or yellow, whatever you have on hand. Into the bowl they go. Now slice half of a medium red onion. I like this thinly sliced and it adds a great pop of color and flavor. And now my favorite ingredient, 1 large avocado. Peel, pit, and slice that into bite-sized pieces and add it to the bowl. Now slice and add half a cup of kalamata olives. And last but not least, dice and add 4 ounces of feta cheese. And the kalamata olives and feta cheese give this salad an amazing salty, tangy bite. So do not skip them. On to the easy Greek dressing. You'll need 3 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice and squeeze that right into a small mason jar. Next, add 3 tablespoons of good extra virgin olive oil and press in 1 garlic clove. Season with half a teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Then put the lid on and shake it up. And you just have to smell this dressing to know it's gonna be good. All right, all that's left is to dress this gorgeous salad, then toss it together and enjoy. All right, and when you toss gently but thoroughly, because you want every bite to be coated in that amazing lemon dressing. Oh my goodness, this salad is loaded, and I am so hungry for this. So we're gonna go ahead and do the taste test. Okay, here we go. Yum. This is a perfect side salad. And if you want to serve this as a dinner salad, it's so easy to add some protein. Just use either boiled eggs or some sliced chicken breast or even steak. Yum. Or shrimp. So many options. Ooh. All right, here we go. The taste test. A little bit of everything on my fork. I love the little bits of cheese and the olives, of course, and creamy avocado. Okay. Here we go. If I had to describe this salad with 1 word, it would be fresh. That lemon dressing, oh my goodness, it is so good and so easy. You're gonna wanna use it on all of your salads. Wow, and I love the textures in this salad. You've got the juicy tomatoes and then the crunchy crisp cucumbers and bell peppers, creamy avocados, and the salty bites with the cheese and the olives. This is a winner. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give us a great big thumbs up below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Hey, before you go, if you guys enjoy salad as much as I do, check out some of our all-time most popular salads right over there and right down there, and click below to subscribe. And when you do, make sure you click that little bell icon so you'll get notifications every single time we post a new recipe. We'll see you next time.